We love our home program. It is a lot of work, but it gave us some very intentional ways of interacting with Levi, and ways that we knew were going to benefit him, ways that we knew were going to help stimulate his brain, and stimulate as much of his brain as possible. And it gave us some real hands-on ways of interacting with him and caring for him, that I think we would have kind of been lost otherwise, because his progression has been his own progression. Mm-hmm. And things have emerged in their own timeline and in their own way. Mm-hmm. It also has helped us see the tiny yet so huge milestones. We no longer look at the big ones, because we realize it takes 100 little tiny suggestions that become movements to get to the big one. The big one is really just a tiny one along the way. But our home program has helped us to see and look for them and identify them and to celebrate them. To celebrate something that seems as subtle as going from here to going from here. Turns out that's not so subtle. That has a huge impact on his stress response and his experience. But to see this shift is a major shift. And so our home program has really educated us about the systems of his body and how reflex integration works and how the systems are so interrelated. We didn't know what fascia was. And yet we all have a ton of it. I wondered after taking an anatomy class in college, how did we miss the fascia? But we did. So it's really educated us as parents, and it's really taught us how to be involved and how to be present with him. It's also taught us how to identify his ways of communicating. When he does get stressed out, or when he gets upset, or when he gets happy. What are those for Levi? Because his way of communicating is unique to him. And so this program has really taught us how to look for those things, all the little variables, and begin to understand them, so that not only do we learn that he is communicating, but how is he communicating, and then how can we respond to that communication in a way that all of us understand. And sometimes I have days where I don't know what to do next. I just don't, whether it's the time of day or my energy level, and I think, now what? And I'm always reminded, go back to the home program. Go back to the home program. And so that program has been a way that has helped me as a parent continue to engage with him in such a positive, loving way, and to be able to experience his responses, because he doesn't smile the way most kids smile. He doesn't laugh. He doesn't cry, but he does communicate. And so by learning to engage with him through touch, and through specific touch, I can feel his muscles and his fascia soften. And that's major. That's a major experience. And that sometimes is how he smiles, which is pretty beautiful. And so you've taught me to experience Levi's way of smiling, and Levi's way of laughing, and Levi's way of saying, yes, Mommy. And to just experience that there's so much depth and richness to him, that goes beyond what we might consider the obvious.